Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can basically edit your app management in Salesforce. First things first, we have to log in into our Salesforce account. You can't do it without it, obviously, and this is our workforce. At the moment I've decided to show you all videos and tutorials on this account, how it's done. So what we have to do if we want to basically manage our apps inside of Salesforce. First, we have to focus on the top right corner of our screen. In this little wheel. Right now, we want to press on Setup. Once we are at Setups, we have platform tools on the left corner, and we want to go into apps, which is in here. And then we have app manager or app exchange marketplace. We click on app manager and we can see all the apps that Salesforce is providing for us. Some of them are straight out of Salesforce, and other are basically Tableau or other programs. We can check if they are visible or not. If you have some app types, which is classic, connected, lightning, between those three, and if you want to edit it, simply just click on the edit, like all tabs, for example. You click edit and you can play around with the apps. If you want to proceed to App Exchange Marketplace, you can get a new app into your Salesforce. For example, Conga Composer, Salesforce Adoption. If you want more, just click on more, and you can go through with it. You can get mobile apps, you can get any kind of additives into Salesforce workflows. And that's basically how you do it. Let's go with the first one. You click on it. We have the details, and on the bottom right corner we can just click on Get It Now. Now we can just open login screen, and we can allow access into your Salesforce. This may take a few seconds, few minutes even maybe. And as you can see, you can install Salesforce adoption dashboards into your Salesforce workspace. And that's about it. It's very easy. It's everything about allowing other apps to basically make changes in your workspace. If you have more questions about these, please leave them underneath these videos, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.